Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the studio again. I actually tried to put this up and use it, but I'll show you a little recreation about how that went. So basically, in doing that, trying to set it up, I realized that it's simply too big. That one of these panels just has to go. So I'm going to do that today, right now. Now you see, the whole idea was that I was going to put the window somewhere here on this side, but the whole thing is just way too big to fit on my room. So now it has to go on that one. So we're gonna cut that off. Would you say to me, punk? So I'm just gonna do that like this. Oh, that works pretty well, actually. Come on, all the way through. Come on, all the way through. There we go. All right. Safety knife. Safety knife. Safety knife. It's only safe to use a safety knife. Oh, I see what I didn't do there. There it is. Just a nice little incision. Like a true professional. And the big reveal. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I'm probably gonna make like a ceiling or something. A retractable, so I don't know. I'll save it for another project, why not? So now, as you can see, we have something that's much easier to deal with. And as suggested, not really suggested, more like demanded, one of my commenters on YouTube, I think his name was nothankyou, demanded that I make the window. Make the window! So I'm gonna make the window. I don't have a plastic tarp to go over it yet, like to make the see-through part, but I think there's something outside. I had to ask if I can use it though. So we're gonna focus on that today. Alright, this might prove to be a bit challenging because obviously this is thicker than the cardboard, but we're just gonna get into it and try it, okay? So I have an idea what I'm going to do here because it kind of, as you can see what happens here, when I turn this over, it kind of like gets bent there. Get bent! So I'm probably going to cover that with cardboard on the inside and then glue the cardboard on and then, just so it's more stable, but definitely, yeah, I'm not going to put styrofoam there though because it would just snap and break. So that's how that's going to work, right there. Okay, so hear me out. I don't think I'm going to cut a big square because it's literally the size of that. So I'm just going to trace the windows out, cut the windows, and then glue the styrofoam to the cardboard. So I looked under the couch and I found something I needed, and this piece here... Whatever. I'm wondering if I want the windowsill inside, simply because... I want to be able to like put stuff like on here. That'd be pretty cool. So let's try that. No, that's not going to work. Especially if it's on there. Oh, wait. If it's like on this thing, like this. No, that's not going to work. Okay. Gotta put it on the outside. Be right back. Here we go. I won't keep you around for all this, don't worry. Hey! Stop eating the blanket! Stop it! The fuck are you doing? The fuck are you doing? Stop! Crazy fucking rabbit, I swear to God, man. Crazy. I'm trying to zoom out here. There we go. Alright, we're done. Sounds like my cat wants to get in. Hello? I'll let you upstairs. You can go upstairs. Yeah, there you go. Play with the box. Figure out how to get up there. Alrighty. go. Kind of upsetting that there's a hole there, but whatever. I'll cover that up later. Okay, here we go with the safety knife. Oh, I'm digging right into the crap. Alright, well, I'll have to watch out not to do that. Uh-oh. Don't go up the line. Okay, there we go. Oh, fuck! Oh, shit, my fucking toe! Dude, I barely cut myself. It's totally a safety net, dude. And there it is. Okay, here we go. And that one's not cut out properly yet. God damn it. Eh. There it is, guys. Perfect. Now it's time to glue it on. Oh, I can see clearly now, the window's on. Boop, boop, boop. I can see all the I can see all the creepers in my way. Bow, bow, bow. Gonna play Minecraft now, my studio's done. Yes, lots and lots of glue, yes. There we go, I think that's ready for a sticking. Alrighty, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's perfectly in the right, woo! Yeah, I want to make sure that's on, but I don't want to like step on it, so I'm going to put something on it. There we go. In this episode, we finished installing the window as per customer demand, because as we all know, the customer is always right. Fuck you! Stupid piece of shit! I love you. Sorry, I stubbed my toe going up the stairs, so I had to teach that piece of crap a lesson. Alright, everybody, we're going to leave that to dry. Anyone who has any ideas for my studio, drop them down in the comments below. Let me know what you would like to see put on this beast. And I will see you all in the next video. Yeet!